Today we will discuss the how do organism reproduce. This is the chapter of biology of class 10. In this chapter we discuss first of all we discuss the reproduction. What is reproduction? Re means again and again the production of any species is called reproduction. Why reproduction is needed? By the reproduction, each and every species survive on the earth. That is, it is the basic requirement for survival of a species. In case of life process, all the activities such as nutrition, respiration, excretion, circulation, that etc. But these activity that is called reproduction is too much essential. Why? Because each and every species have certain life period. After completion of their lifespan, they will be died. So, for survival of a species, reproduction of organism must be done. Here, I give some examples of lifespan of some animals. Mayfly, there is one type of insect that can be survived only 1 day. If they do not, that type of insect do not reproduce, then their species become extinct. Dog, the lifespan of dog is 10 to 13 years. Let us suppose that if any dog is not reproduced, then we just hear about the dog in a history books. Similarly, cat have a 2 to 3 years. In India, the lifespan of human beings in India is 62 to 80 years. 62 to 80 years. That means in case of human beings, there in India, their lifespan is 62 to 80 years. Let us suppose that if only one man and one woman are present on the earth, and after 62 or 80 years, if he or she do not reproduce or do not produce any baby, then what happened? Man also become extinct animal. Similarly, all the species have a certain lifespan, and this is the basic requirement of all organisms to reproduce for their survival. So, reproduction is too much necessary for each and every organism, because it just maintain the species on the earth. Okay, and it is needed to maintaining the all the species. In case of reproduction, there are two types of reproduction. First is asexual reproduction and second one is sexual reproduction. In case of asexual reproduction, only one parent is to be needed. Reproduction takes place without the requirement of two parents. Only one parent is needed in case of asexual reproduction. But in case of sexual reproduction, two parents are needed. Here, how many types of asexual reproduction? There are so many types such as fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, vegetative propagation and spore formation. fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, vegetative propagation, and spore formation.